Okay everyone, and today video I just got a mini fan that we need to repair it, and let's check it out what can be repaired and all accessory on the table. And now I'm going to check this motor. Okay, so now I'm gonna test it with the 3.7 voltage battery. Okay, and connect it. Another side. Okay, it still works, so let's see. Okay, we need to check which one is the to make the rotation of the motor blow the air. Okay, so I think this is the correct position. You can feel the air blow from here. Okay, so as the motor still working, so we're gonna place this motor here and then put this one here. We have to connect these two cables within the fan motor, and I'm going to connect it. First of all, I need to make this cable more easy to connect. Make the connection longer. Okay. Okay. Okay, after connect the cable, and we will try to input back the motor into fan. Okay. Like this, and then okay. And we got screw here. Okay, now we connect the motor to the fan and we will insert the propeller, but now let's try to test with the battery. Okay, try to, okay, now we can hear that the fans now working. Install back the propeller. Okay, and the cover. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Can see now it's chargeable. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of my repairing this mini fan, and it's simple. We just need to reconnect everything and insert a new battery to it. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.